Using our Torx bit, we're going to go ahead and remove the 2 Torx screws holding the corner marker light. Once you get that screw out, go ahead and grab that light. Pry it out and pull it forward so you can release these 2 tabs right here. Next, grab your corner light bulb, twist counterclockwise, pop this out. Go ahead and twist your light out here. You want to grab the little bulb and just tug it, pull it straight out. Installing bulbs, you want to make sure you're wearing gloves. Line that up, press that in. Take your marker light, pop that in. A little bit of a turn clockwise, put in your tabs. Let's go ahead and install our screws.